Good evening, YouTube. We are sitting here going through the 928, trying to get things cleaned up. Currently, the power windows weren't working. I kind of determined it was the switches. Went through the windows, on the doors, and the relay. Actually, ordered a new relay, but I took the relay out of the fuel injection, which is the same one. Excuse me, put it in there. The window would go down, but not up. And from there, decided I better look and see how I can get the switches out, and there's not much room to get them out. So as you can see, they don't leave any slack in the wires, and the wires actually are under here and go up under here to connect, which I'm going to do next. But when I pulled it apart, the mice were in there living. So I've only found one wire so far that is pulled, but I am sure in my mind there are more, and I can't find it. Anyway, there's one wire that's pulled in here. There it is. It's a gray wire of some sort, but anyway, there's one they chewed through, and we will go through here and see what else I can find. But yeah, that's a pain in the ass, and that explains why there was still a smell in here, because I got things cleaned up in the air conditioning vents and found a dead varmint there, so I thought that was the end of it. But yeah, this explains a lot. So, anybody for an acorn? So we'll keep going on this, but never dull. That's what you have with the car sitting. I really didn't think anything got inside of it, but I'm clearly wrong. Boy, are we having some fun now. Here are some wires to the electric clock that got eaten. I just fixed wires in this that got eaten, and this will focus in. This is all bare. It's going to focus in. Come on. Anyway, so this is all bare here. So the mice had a field day in here. Still haven't gotten the power windows working. So there's the circuit for the sunroof. There's another circuit here. Green lead is for the passenger side, and yellow lead is for the yellow lead is for the sunroof, and the red lead on the other side is for the driver's side. So we're working our way through it, but it's a mess. The mice had a frickin' field day. Okay, so here's what we're into this evening. We are cleaning up all the electric crap under the dash where the mouse was, and then we got the power windows working. So went through all these connectors here. The switch was probably a little bit dirty, but I just didn't film it going back together. But we are putting together the door with all the 10mm bolts here, down in here, down in here, and then this screws on to this. This is the lock that just screws on, which is kind of nice. And then there's a couple more bolts here that we got to get in. This one just screws on here like this, which is kind of nice and easy. Well, I say that. Got to put it right first. But all these parts go on pretty easy. Getting this door part wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it would be. But all the connections were grungy. Luckily, this plastic was all in good shape. I don't think this window had ever been apart before. Or this door had ever been apart before. But yeah, she came together pretty well. So just ate dinner, and we're back into cleaning up this wiring. As you can see, right there's a bare wire. I got to trace that back. And then as I'm cleaning up, anybody want the food section out of the newspaper from probably 2004? Just digging stuff out. We're rewiring underneath the center console, and little shades of progress. We're getting there. So in summary on this video, we got the power windows working, at least the switches are all working, the switches are replaced, as you can see in the videos. And next I'm going to get the right side window working. The switch is good. but we had a check the power at the motor, and it's good, but the motor is not doing anything. So we'll get that sorted out. But hope you like this video. We got some more coming, but the car is coming along very well. And again, as I constantly say, I'm really excited to have this car, and every time I touch it, there's more and more good things to come. And really, nobody should be intimidated by these 928s. They really are easy to work on, and I have had no intimidation on working on it, and would highly suggest anybody to go ahead and stick a wrench in and stick a screwdriver in, and don't hesitate, because things have been really easy to pull apart. Plus, there's tons of information on the internet, on the forums, as well as the YouTube. So anyway, encourage you to, if you're thinking about doing something with your car, please don't hesitate. It's really not too bad to work on. Please hit the thumbs up button just under the video, subscribe. Not trying to go crazy with the YouTube channel, but I would love to build the channel a little bit and get some more following. And also hit my Instagram up at Bosworth Tony, and there's some other stuff on there that you can see, and updated pictures on the car and the garage, etc., etc. So hope everything's all right with everybody during this COVID-19 stuff, and all the best to everybody. And hopefully your family and friends and relatives and loved ones are all fine. We're all thinking about you. Please stay home and take care of yourselves. Thanks.